Hey guys, welcome back to the VR Guy, and in today's video, Meta has officially confirmed that they're working on the Oculus Quest 3. Yes, you heard me, Oculus Quest 3. In a statement released earlier this week, Meta said that they're committed to continuing to innovate in the VR space, and that they see the Oculus Quest as a key part of that. They said that they're already hard at work on the next version of the Quest, and that they're excited to share more details in the future. This is really exciting news for anyone who's a fan of VR, like me or you maybe. If you're a fan of VR watching this video right now, the Quest has been a huge success for Meta, and it's great to see that they're continuing to invest in the platform. Of course, we don't know any specifics about the Quest 3 yet. We don't know when it will be released, like what kind of specs it will have, or like how much it will cost. But it's still great to know that it's in the works. So, what do you guys think about this? Are you excited for the Oculus Quest 3 or Meta Quest 3? Let me know down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this short VR news and update. If you enjoyed it, like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more VR news updates and VR gameplays, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.